How to get Instagram followers. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways to get more followers on Instagram. Getting more Instagram followers involves several strategies. So the first one is quality content. Now, posting high quality engaging content consistently. This could be photos, videos, reels, or stories. Apart from it, you can also use hashtag. Using relevant and popular hashtag to increase visibility. Research and use the ones that are most appropriate for your content. You can add it to your post, such as your photos, videos, or whatever. And you can also engage with others. Now, interacting with other users by liking, commenting, and following accounts related to your interest. This leads to increasing numbers of followers on your Instagram. You can also consistently posting schedules, so maintaining a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and aware of your presence as well. Now, collaboration and shoutouts are also one of the most beneficial way of getting Instagram followers. And up to use Instagram stories and live feature to engage with your audience in a real time, providing behind the scenes looks or interactive content. You can run promotional content or giveaway to encourage people to follow your account. Apart from it, you can also explore page. So aim to get your content featured on the explore page by creating engaging and shareable content. Now, last but not the least, remember that growing a genuine followers takes time. Avoid shortcuts like buying followers, as they often result in less engaging and less authenticate audience. So these were some of the methods on getting more Instagram followers. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.